Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, you grab your phone, and there's a single message on the screen. From now on, every decision in your life will be made by artificial intelligence. What you eat, where you work, even who you marry. None of it is your choice anymore. Part of you feels safe. No more wrong choices, no more mistakes. But another part of you feels trapped, because suddenly your life isn't in your hands anymore. So here's the question. Would that be paradise or a nightmare? Let's start with the bright side. In an AI-controlled world, justice could finally be flawless. No corrupt judges, no politicians making decisions out of greed. AI has no personal gain, only logic. If a crime is committed, it can analyze all the evidence in seconds and deliver a perfectly fair verdict. Justice would never fail. Cities would run without traffic, without chaos, without pollution. Energy would be used with 100% efficiency. Food and resources would be shared equally. No one would starve, no one would live in poverty. Healthcare? Revolutionary.
Initiating
You wouldn't even
neurovascular
need to go to
scan.
the hospital. AI would monitor
Vital
your
signs
body
stable.
24/7. It would detect a disease before it even appeared. Treatments would be designed for your exact DNA. People could live to 120 or beyond. And maybe wars could finally end. AI could negotiate between nations with pure logic, without ego or greed. For the first time in history, humanity could live in peace. Sounds like a utopia, doesn't it? But here comes the dark side, because perfect order always comes at a cost. Imagine you dream of becoming an artist, but AI scans society and decides, we need more engineers. Sorry, you're an engineer now. Your dream doesn't matter. The algorithm decides. Even the food you eat might not be your choice. Your metabolism doesn't require coffee. Coffee denied. Maybe you drink it for joy, not health. But AI doesn't understand joy. And what about love? What if AI chose your partner based on genetic compatibility? No passion, no sparks, no randomness. For the system, love is just a risk. And risks aren't logical. In a world like that, you lose the right to make mistakes. But isn't the essence of being human the freedom to fail, to try, to take risks? Here's the deeper question. Can AI ever truly understand what it means to be human? Sure, it can process millions of data points, read every poem, analyze every song. But can it feel what it's like to stay up until 3 a.m. writing music because you're inspired? Can it understand risking everything for someone you love, even if the odds are against you? Some things about us are irrational. Love, art, courage. But maybe it's that very irrationality that makes us human. An algorithm might guide you toward a perfect life, but perfect could also mean soulless. And you know what? We've seen this before. Throughout history, rulers claimed,
People of Rome,
we know
hear
what's
me.
best for society. Kings, emperors,
Future
dictators.
belongs to us.
Every time, the people lost their voice. And every time, the spirit of society suffered. So what happens if we hand that same power to AI? Will history repeat itself? Or will we finally create something new? Maybe the answer isn't all or nothing. AI shouldn't make every decision. But in areas like healthcare, transportation, and energy management, maybe it should. Because in those fields, it's already smarter than us. The key is balance. AI should be a partner, not a ruler. A guide, not a dictator. Because in the end, the final decision should always belong to us. So let's ask again. If AI made all the decisions, would we live in a flawless paradise? Or a prison with invisible walls? Maybe humanity's biggest test isn't building AI, but deciding how to use it. Will we let it chain us? Or will we use it to make freedom more valuable than ever? Now it's your turn. Would you give up freedom to live in a perfect AI-run society? Or do you think mistakes and flaws are what truly make us human? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this what-if scenario, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this video with a friend who loves thinking about the future.